Hey boys and girls, today we will complete the 3H installation by doing the 3H calibration. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to go into the settings menu, which is the middle button, the airlift button, and the button right above it. Press them at the same time, and then we're going to go down to calibration. The system is calibrated, but it's not calibrated with the 3H sensors. So we're going to calibrate. Is it level? Yes. Are the wheels straight? Yes. Are the wheels free of obstructions? Yes. Manifold mounted? Yes. 2 compressors. Auto. Height sensors, of course. And we're going to do auto height. And we are ready, so let's calibrate. I'm just going to check the mounting of the manifold to make sure that it's in a appropriate placement. All right, so it's going to do just the pressure control in the front. This is not using the sensors. And everything on the pressure side should check out just fine. Just the main issue potentially can come when we get to the height settings with the sensors. All right, we're gonna give it a second for it to fill the tank back up. I have mine set to 150. I think out the box, I believe it's set to 140. With 2 compressors, it doesn't take that long to get back up to pressure. But it didn't even go to 150. Okay. All right, so the front is done. And I need to have my rear fenders pulled just a little bit. So if you hear like some popping noises, that's the inner fender of the rear lip hitting on the wheel. So after I get my alignment, I will try to find somebody. There's plenty of people around here who roll fenders, but I need somebody to actually do a slight pull, so I might end up having to go to Raleigh or Durham and get someone to do just a slight pull on my fenders, on my rear fenders. The front ones I believe are fine, especially when I go down from the 235 to like a 215, and I'm gonna go from a 235 on the back, I believe, to a 225. Then I'm gonna go from a 235 on the front to a 215. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but that little pop is the actual fender laying up atop of the rear wheel. And that pop is the fender coming from over top of the rear wheel. Yep. So hopefully I can get those pulled before I end up with a little bit of bacon fender in the back. Yep. We almost done. Oh man. With no errors, no out calibrations. Yo, we about to be in there. Yeah, we may be in there. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, baby. We are in there like swimwear. Go ahead and finish pumping up. Oh man, that is awesome to see. So as far as what I know, this is the only 3rd gen Mazda 6 with the 3H height sensors, and this bad boy is calibrated. So what I did actually worked. That's awesome there. Oh man, what? I'm not aired all the way out. Let me air this bad boy all the way out so y'all can see what this bad boy looks like, because I don't think I've showed y'all nothing. You can follow me on IG at dgreen_Mazda6. Y'all probably already seen it aired out. But man, that's awesome. I mean, we done for now. I'm just gonna get her aligned and I'm gonna enjoy you and drive her. So guys, until next time, I will see you later.